question. Healthy You, Coach Saizil. Take it away po. Kahit nasa biyahe si Coach Saizil, ayan. Coach, paano?
Ayan. Thank you, Coach Gina. Okay, so my name is Saicil Desiree R. Arguesa. So, ako po ay 31 years old and a nurse by profession. So, before Herbalife Nutrition, marami rin pong mga health issues and nag-gain po ako ng weight. And yun nga po, maraming mga hindi na magandang nararamdaman at the age of 24 years old. But because of the proper nutrition na shinare sa akin ng aking coach na si Coach Eden, amazingly, nakapag-lose po ako ng 17 pounds, na body weight, nakapag-lose din ng 7% na body fats, and at the same time, nakapag-gain ako ng muscle mass, and of course, confidence sa sarili. And because of the healthy breakfast na aloe tea shake, amazingly po, yung mga health issues ko po, na-improve po siya. And marami po akong favorite na tablets, honestly. During pregnancy and until now na nag-breastfeeding pa rin po ko, ginagamit ko lahat, almost mga tablets ng Herbalife. And ang mga favorite ko po talaga, mga talaga, vitamins and minerals, ocular defense, Herbalife line, cell complex, ano pa yon, fiber band. Yan yung top 5 na favorite ko talaga. The rest po, favorite din, pero yun talaga yung pinaka hindi talagang nagmimintis araw-araw. And ayan nga po, nung ako po ay nurse sa hospital, yan, may mga night shift. So, usually talaga pag night shift, marami ka talagang mga craving sa food. So, napaka-unhealthy ng lifestyle, walang quality of time kasi kailangan mo pa talagang file ng leave. And kapag hindi na approve yung leave na yon, sorry, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa mga special occasions ng iyong family. So, yun ang nagustuhan ko with Herbalife Nutrition. Kaya binigyan niya yung quality time para sa family ko. Sarili mong oras mo, ikaw ang boss. And at the same time, hindi lang po yung sa quality of time yung health ko and ng buong family ko ay na-improve because of this community na we have, the Herbalife Nutrition. That's why we really, really love Herbalife Nutrition. So enough, guys, with my story. Mag-focus na tayo sa ating topic for today. So, our topic for today is healthy digestion, healthy you. This was discussed by Susan Bowerman. Yan, next slide. Our Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition for Education and Training. So, yan po, next slide po. Usually talaga ang digestive system talaga natin ay very incredible. Kasi imagine niyo ang dami-dami niyang ginagawa, from breaking down food into nutrients and energy, to removing waste from your body, and of course, malaking role din niya para ma-maintain ang immune health natin. So, guys, a healthy gut can have a huge impact on your overall well-being. Okay? So, next slide po. Sabi dito nga, what you eat and the way you live your life can influence the well-being of your digestive system. Kaya nga kailangan talaga natin na nutrient-dense and balanced diet ay makakatulong siya para ma-nourish yung body cells natin, especially dun sa digestive tract. Kasi nga 'di ba, we are composed of trillions of cells. Ayan. And of course, guys, yung brain natin and yung digestive tract natin ay meron silang constant communication. Makita nyo naman dito, di ba? Ayan, meron silang constant communication with each other through a series of signals. And itong mga incredible amount of information na ipapass through between yung gut and your brain, meron tayong tinatawag na dito na body's second brain. That's why ang ating digestive tract ay considered as a body second brain. Ayan. Another one, guys. Okay, next slide. Your gut microflora play an important role in immunity and the cells lining your digestive tract as a physical and biological barriers against microbial invaders. So, malaking bagay din pala itong mga good bacteria na makakatulong para i-fight niya yung mga diseases na pwede nating ma-acquire. So we need all these systems help to protect your body against bacteria and viruses that could make us sick. That's why, ayan na nga po, ang tanong ng bayan or ang tanong ng karamihan, okay, or tanong ko na lang sa inyo, are you doing enough to take care of your digestive system? Kasi usually tayo, lagi na lang tayo sa lose weight, ganyan. Pero ang tanong, naalaga mo ba ang digestive system mo? Kasi malaking role pala siya to maintain overall well-being. So, ito po, nagbigay si Susan Bowerman ng mga tips to achieve optimal gut well-being. So, we have yung first na tip niya is the fiber, fluids, and digestive health. Meron siyang short video dito. Take down notes you guys, yung mga mapapakinggan nyo dito kasi very helpful talaga siya. Okay, Coach Nida, please play the video.
Fiber plays a key role in promoting digestive health. There are two types of fiber, called soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is found in foods like vegetables and whole grain, and it promotes digestive health because it provides bulk, which in turn promotes regularity. Soluble fiber is found in foods like oats and apples and barley, and this type of fiber traps water and swells up and helps to keep you full. Soluble fibers are also prebiotics. This means that they serve as a food source for the good bacteria in your gut, and these good bacteria are called probiotics. Probiotics are found in fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, pickles, as well as probiotic supplements. Fluids are also critically important for healthy digestion and elimination. Make sure your diet includes both types of fiber, plenty of fluids, and probiotics from both foods and supplements as part of a healthy, balanced diet.
Naka-mute ko, Coach. Sorry. Coach, naka-mute ka po. Paki-unmute po si Coach Aisel, please.
Sandali lang ha. Okay,
Ayan,
okay, go ahead,
thank you so
Saisel.
much. Thank you. Ayan, so I hope marami kayong natutunan doon sa diniscuss ni Susan Bowerman kasi talagang ang fiber, dapat we need the two kinds of fiber, and at the same time yung probiotics and of course fluids. That's why we are very lucky sa Herbalife Nutrition kasi it has all na kailangan natin para ma-improve at ma-maintain ang overall wellness ng ating digestive tract. We have here, yung sabi ko nga sa inyo, isa sa mga favorite ko, the Fiber Bun and the Fiber and Herb. Ayan, ito po ay composed of soluble and insoluble fiber already, guys. Kaya wala na kayong problemahin. Si Fiber and Herb, yan, nakita nyo dito, screenshot nyo po siya. Ang key ingredients nito ay may papaya, parsley, fennel seed, peppermint, and chamomile. You can take these tablets after meals as a fiber supplement. Ayan. And of course, ito na yung Fiber Bun. Ito, hindi ko talaga to iniiwan sa bahay. Lalo pag talagang napapakain ka ng madami, inumin nyo to 30 minutes before yung eating time nyo talaga. So, ang key ingredients nito is apple, acacia, orange, and oats. So, these products are for digestive support. Okay? Next one, guys. Ito rin isa sa mga favorite ko at ng buong pamilya ko, especially yung mga kids. The Simply Probiotic. Guys, alam ko, sasabihin nyo, marami namang probiotic sa market ngayon eh. Pero guys, alam mo kakaiba ang Simply Probiotic kasi alam nyo kung bakit? 4 calories per serving lang siya. Unlike sa ibang brand kasi, kaya mataas ang calories niya because of the added flavors and sugars para ma-maintain yung tagal ng products. But our Simply Probiotic, amazingly, no added flavors, no added colors, sugars, or any sweetener. Kaya talagang safe na safe to sa mga bata. Kahit nung baby pa yung 6 months old, first pa lang niya, ito na yung mga inintroduce kong pagkain sa kanya. And ang amazingly dito, these are formulated with Bacillus coagulans. Bacillus coagulans is isa sa pinaka magandang klase ng bacteria na pwede mong ipasok sa katawan natin. Kasi at saka ang maganda pa dito, you may enjoy it either hot or cold. Remember guys, ang probiotics kasi kailangan cold lang yan para hindi mamatay yung mga good bacteria. But because of the technology we have with Herbalife Nutrition, ang simple probiotic natin ay pwede siya sa hot or cold. Kaya pwede siyang iluto, pwede siyang idagdag sa mga baked goods, sa tea. Favorite ko nilalagay ito sa tea natin and enjoy ko siya. Ayan. So guys, screenshot nyo na ito para hindi nyo makalimutan idagdag sa cart ninyo, okay? Pag nag-order kayo. Next one po, ayan. Of course, kailangan din natin ng fluid sa katawan natin. That's why grabe talaga, buti na lang merong herbal aloe concentrate. Kasi kung wala ito, hindi ko talaga may enjoy ang water. And pati mga kids sa bahay, magdadagdag kasi ito ng flavor, lalo na ang sarap-sarap po ng mandarin at saka mango. Ayan, so this is a refreshing drink packed with premium quality aloe vera. So it will it also maintain your personal wellness goals. So this also supports digestive system. So guys, don't forget also itong si herbal aloe concentrate na talagang inumin natin araw-araw, especially early in the morning. Kasi this will cleanse your digestive tract talaga. Next one po, ayan, we have the herbal tea, herbal concentrate instant powder mix. Ayan nga po, it provides energy support. Ang key ingredients nito guys ay green tea, orange pekoe, and black tea. And it is only 5 calories per serving. Tapos guys, 0 sugar pa siya. That's why maghapon mo tong iniinom, nako, hindi ka talaga magsasawa sa lasa niya. At the same time, hindi ka magigain ng weight. So, idagdag nyo rin to sa daily routine ninyo. And next one naman, we have the herbal retreat tea. Ayan, kung kanina for energy boost, ganyan. This time naman to calm. Help support relaxation and calms your body and mind. So ito po, before matulog, maganda pong itong idagdag sa routine natin, night routine, kasi it will also supports positive mood and restful sleep. No artificial flavors, pero tingnan niyo ang mga ingredients, lemon balm, chamomile, passion flower, talagang makaka-relax ka talaga before matulog pag itong ininom. Okay? And of course, another sinabi rin ni Susan Bowerman that exercise, stress, and digestive health are also beneficial. So, next slide. Sabi niya, regular exercises can help to support digestive health in a number of ways. So, kung yung muscle mo magko-contract, and of course, nagkakaroon ka ng, di ba, pag nag-exercise ka, yung paghinga mo parang yung mabilis, ganyan, mas nakakapasok kasing oxygen. So, your intestinal muscle are stimulated, yan, and which in turn helps to move food through your system. Actually, ako noon, isa talaga sa mga factor yung exercise para magandang bowel movement ko. So, mga anim best exercises for better gut health is walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, yoga, sit-ups, or crunches. Pili ka na kung saan dyan ang gusto mo talagang idagdag sa routine mo for workout. And of course, it's a common knowledge that exercise is a good way to reduce stress. And next one, but it can also help to soothe and ease digestive upset that can occur in response to negative emotions. Pag tayo po ay stress, ganyan. Kasi nga, ang brain and ang brain at ang gut ay napaka connected to each other. So sabi dito, when you're stressed, the brain, it sends signal to the gut. Di ba, remember, pag tayo po ay kinakabahan, mag-exam tayo, kinakabahan tayo, di ba parang feeling mo merong lumilipad na mga butterflies sa loob ng tiyan mo? Or yung iba pa nga, parang feeling mo, gusto mong mag-CR, pero wala ka namang ilalabas, pero parang ramdam mo lang gusto mong mag-CR. Kaya nga, ito ang tinatawag na second body's brain, yung ating gut. So, ayan. I hope, guys, okay, next slide. Marami po tayong natutunan for today's special topic. And guys, choose to live your best life. And please, start now sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-start. That's why we really love Herbalife Nutrition. Thank you, guys. And back to you, Coach Gina.
Yay! So thank you so much, Coach Cecil. Nakaraos na po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And sana marami din kayong natutunan today. Dami-daming learnings natin ngayon. So dapat maging grateful tayo everyday with God at sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. Maraming salamat sa presence ng lahat. And see you all again tomorrow po.